Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on pinning locations on Apple Maps. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To drop a pin on a location, simply press down on the location and a pin will drop. This pin will stay until you pin somewhere else and then it will be replaced. You can save pins forever by saving them to a list. To do that, once you have dropped the pin, scroll down and tap Save To. Select New Guide. Give the pinned location a name if you want and tap Save. Now name your new list and then tap Create. That pin will now be saved in that list until you decide to remove it. You can remove pins from a guide by swiping it to the right and selecting Delete. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Maps tips and tricks.